make this stream because all of a sudden I just felt like complete and total crap, which is never fun. Still not entirely sure why. Just hit me like a shovel and that was fun. Yeah. Complete and total crap. Alrighty. But I figure the show must go on. So let's get all this situated. Copy that. I hope so. Trophy. Yeah, I did. Update. Control C and Control V. Creating levels. And this is the feature stream and 3D, I think, is what we're going with. I don't know. That sounds pretty good. Alright. Let's see what we have under upbeat music. It's a little too upbeat, honestly. Okay. Maybe not that. The best of the best. Did I say choose what's recommended for me? No. Rock? Nope, never mind. Can't do that. Alright. I think we'll go with rock. Rock sounds good. Alrighty. And let's get this situated here. So, I've been doing some work trying to fix how the game looks and how the game functions. Real quick, I've done quite a bit of work on here, so it's even more of a jumbled mess than it was before. However, working on a different game, I figured out this thing called a sequence. Makes my life so much easier, because basically this runs all three of these things at once. Even though it technically a sequence is one after the other, but it has no delay, so all three of these things go at once, which is great. So I might be using this a lot more often if I'm not using functions. And even in some functions I might be using sequences. Anyway. So, if I connect this up, compile, and I have it to where it's destroying the club, which if you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, I will go into further detail in just a second. So, this is our club, and we have it set up so that whenever you right-click, this will go in. Basically, it has a little arm that shrinks. It pulls this club in towards the center, and based off of how high you charge it. So, let's see, is this hidden in game? No, so we can see what happens. So, right now, I have this to where it's destroyed. I haven't quite figured out how to respawn it. So this is kind of like the ultra hard mode where you have to get it done in the first try, but this is how I want the ball to roll. So I'm trying to figure out how to do the spawn or respawn that piece. Otherwise I can't do anything else anymore. It's just, that's it. You can do it once. So if we go back to our blueprint here and get it back to what I originally had it as, and we play, see how it rolls really, really weird? That's what I was trying to avoid by destroying the actor, and granted that works, but I can't respawn it, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. So, yeah. Right now, I have a lot of weird bugs that keep happening, like that for some reason, and I think that's just the way that the setup is for the initial hit, because it really works well if I destroy the actor, but after I destroy it, I don't know how to spawn it again and make this the parent of it. I haven't quite figured all that out yet, so yeah. So instead, we're gonna work on some level design stuffs. So let's go ahead and get this open. What do we have? We have allow input, we have LMB pressed, moving, shot value, and original club length. Kinda sucks that I put all this in the level blueprint. Unless, I wonder if I can do that. Can I do that? Can we go to maps? Yeah, I can't copy. Damn. Okay. Huh. Well, then I guess we're gonna have to do a new level. And this is going to be tutorial. Sure. Save selected, that's fine. Nothing like I have you in my reticle. That is something different, for sure. Alright. Oh, I can't keep up the old blueprint? Whale poop. Yes, I can. I'm just gonna do it a cheaty way, right? No, I can't. I don't think I can. Blueprints. Open level blueprint for this one. Minimize. Open tutorial. And it closes out the other one. Erg. Okay, fine. I guess I'll just copy the entire level blueprint. And all the functions and everything else. Break. Control A, Control C. Open level blueprint. Let's see what we're missing. Control A, delete, Control Control-V. Compile. Everything's broken. Everything. Alright. Variables. Original club length, and this is a float. Why you gotta be dumb? Just don't. In all club Length. That's how you spell thing. I'm right. We have allow input. And this is a boolean. And you're stupid. Yep. Add another variable, which is lmb rest. Just like so. And yet another variable, which is moving, right? Bam. I thought the blueprints carry over here. Don't be stupid. Grrr. Go ahead and fix that. I think. Hold on. What did I have you connected to? Think that way? Yeah. Oh, I just have to import the actor. Okay. That'll be fine. But that's all the variables we needed, right? I believe so. Oh. Wait. Yeah, I'm not even using any of that stuff. We're also in a seriously dark area. Alright, first off, I guess we should do a sphere. And scale is going to be, I think it's 100? Or maybe it's 1,000. Oh, let's do a quick material for this. GIMP. Oh man, I am not doing well today. Why would you... Don't load up there. When do I ever move my things up there? Program. Why? Okay, I think it should be fine if we just do this. I don't know. 1080 by 1080 should be fine. Okay. There we go. Actually, Control Z, turn our opacity down to 67. It's pretty much the same exact thing, isn't it? No, that looks good. Eraser, let's do that. Size of that, and maybe not that one. That's too much. Oh, that looks weird. That's not what we want. Okay, pressure. That's not the right one. Confetti, I think. Yeah. That's way too much. I forgot how to do this. I don't like it. There we go. Just do this. Do this, and that's a cool way to make stars. Or barbed wire. Sure, why not? This is just for an example anyway. Export as... My game. References. Golf references. What? World Sphere? Export. Alright. Okay, whatever. Import. Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do it from BSB. A sphere? How many sides does it have? That should be good. Put this at 0. Put this at 0. Put this at 0. Now where the heck are you? Cool. Scale this by 100. And this by 100. And this by 100. Okay. This is a very large circle. Alright. And then we're going to add a second sphere at the same place. 0, 0, 0. And you are going to be 99, 99, 99. And you are subtractive. Boom. And tessellation should be like that, right? Yeah, that's a bit better. Ooh, that's laggy. Okay. How thick is that wall? Should have the only one, but yeah, let's go 4, 4. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And let's put this on here. There we go. Save that real quick. Again, this is just a test thing, so there should be a way to fill all of these with this, but that's okay. And so we'll just paint the walls real quick. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but again, most of all that I know is self-taught, so I'm using the best way that I have and that I know how to do. So, but with that said, if anybody wants to give me pointers and tips, because you do this, or you know more about this than I do, because I'm sure there are people out there, then I would greatly appreciate it, because this is quite a long-winded process for just some color on the walls. We also need to set up a light, that way it's not ridiculous. And I'm trying to switch up my format so that I have 1080p textures. So hopefully that'll turn out alright. I know that there are some problems with that as far as file size goes, and how that translates into the rendering process, but I figure most of these aren't going to be animated textures, and the ones that are probably going to be scaled down a little bit, I would think, maybe? I'm not entirely sure. That's not a bad design, actually. I kind of like it. I don't think I'll use it for the game, but yeah, it's kind of a cool idea. I'd put a lot more work into the actual game textures. But these streams, by the way, aren't exactly what the game is actually going to be. They're more showing how to make a video game. In my way, which again may not be the right way, but you'll make a game, so yeah, that's cool, I suppose. Alright. We will put all the rest of these over here. Is that everything? I do believe so. That's trippy, is what that is. Alright. So, now let's go ahead and do a tiny little box here. Just for clarification, that was a little box. That was the default box, which is actually pretty darn big. So, yeah. We want it at 0, 0, 0. I really don't want that to be the texture. Can we not? Think that we did? There we go. Okay. Okay. Now let's go ahead and scale this way down, where it's a nice little flat piece. And probably scale this, I don't know, about yay big. This is a nice platform to start with. And I think what we'll do is we'll move this way down here toward the bottom. That way the space seems to fill we should scale this out to, I don't know, bigger size of some sort. 34%? 34 times, I mean? Sound decent? Probably. Okay. Options menu difficulty. Okay. Alright. Save this real quick. Trying to get it back into the habit of constantly saving. Alright. Open our level blueprint. What are we missing now? This one? No, not the active blueprint. Do I have to select it in the viewport? Probably. There we go. Vivid's BP ball. Boom. C, Control V. Place all the things. Hopefully this is right. Oh, maybe? Yeah. I don't think we're ever gonna be doing the view target blend, because that doesn't work. So, yeah. No. None of that works. Let's create the reference. Is this stuff copyright? Alright. YouTube, if you flagged me, it's because you allowed somebody to post that it's royalty free when it's not. Just so you know. Oh, none of this even matters. Okay. There's some semi-redundant code in here. Quite a bit, actually. Which string arm is this? This is the camera string arm. Okay. One more here. I could have swore that I saved this blueprint. Didn't I? I guess not. Okay. Well, I'll create a reference to you then. Connect all these things. See, what do we got here? Not moving club, so that's gonna be the club arm, so that's this one. And this one's going to be That's not going to do much. We'll keep that in, because I think that's how I'm going to do it, once I can figure out how the spawning mechanic works for this. Which string arm is this? I think it's just this one. Shelby. Oh, that's the wrong thing. No. So I copied that for some reason. Put that there. Oop. Oop. Okay, what else do we got? See, this is the only problem with doing it in the level blueprint instead of the actual blueprint, because then you can't transfer all the things over right away. You kind of got to do this stuff. However, if I did it in the regular blueprint, we wouldn't have gotten as far as we have, because I'm not the greatest with the whole parenting system in UE4. Okay, what else are we missing? Okay, you are the actor blueprint, so copy. Yeah. Boom. Oh. All this crap's pointless. Shot value. What else we got? You copy, compile. Yeah. Okay. Do we not have anything in a function anymore? Really? Huh. Play. I forgot lighting. Lovely. Alright, let's add a light. Preview. Really? Is that what I get? That's lovely. Go with a bit of a grayish blue. We play. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? Okay. Thank you. Much better. Yeah, it'll take quite a bit of space to get out of this, so I like that. anything else we can do for this? Auto activate. Oh wait, no. This is the auto activate. We don't want this on at all. Wish I could delete it, but I don't know why when I delete it. Alright, let's do a quick build. Hopefully that'll fix the problems we're having. How's our lighting? Yeah, it's gonna build lighting for a little bit, so I will be right back while it loads. Nothing like a first time lighting build. Alrighty. Let's see if we can change this up, make it better. Maybe that's too much. How do we want to do it? That'd be kind of cool. For something else that I'm working on. Not for this, of course. Gives us something to do while we're waiting for lighting builds. So that might end up taking up the whole show, for all I know. Okay. Pick out that color. Really? You really think that's black? I don't think so. Let's add some blue into it, just like that. Okay. And we will go with a fairly lighter version of that. New layer. Ah. Okay. Well, that's interesting. To you, it looks like a bunch of black line or black space with dark dots, but on my screen, it's better. At least from my perspective. It might not look like that at all. It might look exactly how it looks on my screen. I don't know. That's fine. Export as Woodsville number 2. Mach 2. Export. Alright, 42%. I thought I was gonna... I was about to be kind of mad. It's the well of anger. Oh no. Oh man, my brain. So weird. Yeah, it's gonna be completely unresponsive until it's done building the lighting. Yay! So anyways, guys, how are you? Guys enjoying your days? You having a good time? Or are you bored out of your mind? Because that's the thing. I'm not very good with small talk. How many here like anime? Or I should say, how many here have played a dating sim? That's more current information. And if you have, what type of, like, what do you like most about, in general, dating sims? Oh, it's done. Never mind. I mean, if you guys want to answer, you're more than welcome, but you don't have to, after all. It must not have liked the texturing I did there, huh? Yeah, I really didn't like that. Okay. Can I put it on here? Nope. Not happening, Jimmy. Show me that. Well, I'm so glad that your lighting works. Game. Doesn't need to cast shadows. Cross our fingers. Hope it works. For some reason it wants to spawn us there. So that's something. Oh, wow. That is obnoxious. Good. Why? Oh, no. What am I missing? Oh good, I put the texture on there. Fantastic. Why do you keep playing from there? Don't play from there. Punk pop parody. Alright. Always don't ignore collisions, that's fine. Actually. Or is that basing it off of where my camera is? Play from here. Oh, okay. Apparently I have 2 of these. Oh no, it wants to automatically spawn another one for some freaking reason. Well, no, not really, but it's going to spawn another one because Unreal Engine. I like how that's emitting light. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that was something I did. Wonder if it'll ever stop. Doesn't look like it. Oh, by the way, I did a nice little decal down here. If you look and see. And I got it to where it goes back and forth. I don't remember if I showed that on stream last time. And with the decal, it goes into the red because that's where things get a little bit too intense and kind of makes the ball go random places, at least with their current design of how the ball moves. So, there's that. So, if anybody else knows how in the world to make it stop spawning random things that it shouldn't be spawning whenever you play the level, I would love to hear that, because that's kind of been game-breaking, or, that's kind of been a pain in my butt for quite a while. Save select, that's fine. That's fine. I wonder if I can just change those. Oh really? That's kind of cool. Didn't know that was a thing. can I just change the value of this? I don't think so. I don't think that worked. I was just kind of playing around with this. By the way, this jump here, completely impossible with the way that we have this set up. So, but if we go into the level blueprint again and connect up this little thing where it destroys the actor and sets it up to where you can only do one shot, and boom, it actually kind of sort of works. Kind of do it just right though, in order to get it over. So yeah, there's that. That's cool. And this is basically impossible this way, I think. Is it? Oh, maybe not. Huh. Alright. Nope, can't change it. Okay. Well, that's weird. Don't quite understand all that. That's okay. Okay, so I guess we can make just teleporters for now. In this world? Perhaps? I had all these plans and then everything got all screwed up and my brain went all haywire and yeah, it's just pain in the butt. Life is a pain in the butt some days. What error report is showing up? Should only throw up once. Pending kill? Oh, is it not successfully being killed? Is that the only problem? If that's the case, then that's fine. Receive input, no. Can be damaged, yes. How long this actor lives before dying? If it can be damaged, then I don't understand why it would not be able to be killed, right? I don't know. Never mind. Wasn't what I thought. So, there you go. Excuse me. Well, I suppose there's really not much else I can show you today. Basically because I don't really have all that much to... I haven't figured out a whole lot. I've been working on a lot of other projects, and this has kind of been put on the back burner, so it may be possible that we pause this and work on a different project, but I have to talk with the people that I'm working with to find out if they want to have it streamed, and yeah, so gotta talk with them and we'll figure all of that out. Anyways, guys, I do think that's gonna be the end of this week's episode, because not really much more I can do today. We could do some problem solving or something, but it'd basically be me going, and that's not very fun. I'm really not feeling well today, so I think that is going to be the end of the stream here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, please be sure to hit the follow button, like button, or subscribe button, whichever one's respective to whatever platform you're on. And have a good one. Again, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.